I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Portal Knights multiplayer on Android using an easy method. Connecting with friends transforms your game, allowing you to explore, build, and battle together. It's a fantastic way to share your adventures and tackle challenges as a team. You can invite up to 3 other players, making a total of 4, to join your world and embark on epic quests side by side. Let's dive into the simple steps to get you connected. To begin, one player will act as the host. This person needs to open Portal Knights and either create a brand new world or load an existing one. It's crucial that all players are connected to the same local Wi-Fi network for the easiest connection. Once in their world, the host simply navigates to the main menu and selects the host game option. This makes their world discoverable to friends on the same network, ready for adventure. Now, for the friends who want to join, the process is just as straightforward. From the main menu, they should select the Join Game option. This will display a list of available local games. Look for the host's world name in the Local Games section. Once you spot it, simply tap on that world to initiate the connection. Within moments, you'll be transported into your friend's adventure, ready to explore and conquer side by side. For the best multiplayer experience, a few tips can make a big difference. Always ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection to prevent lag or disconnections. Clear communication is key, so utilize the in-game chat or a separate voice call to coordinate your actions. If you encounter any performance issues, try adjusting the graphics settings within the game. These small adjustments can lead to a much smoother and more enjoyable cooperative adventure for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.